Hello 8th graders, this is your video for Thursday, August 27th, as well as Friday, August 28th. So tomorrow, or today, we are going to be doing a review assignment. We finished all the units, or all the lessons to do in Unit 1, so we're going to have a review assignment before our quiz tomorrow. So if you go to week 3, August 24th, you will see that for day 4, we have a review assignment. This review assignment is going to be on quizzes, so please complete the review quizzes. You'll go to the assignment link and complete the review game. Here's the link. Be sure you have your first and last name as the user name, otherwise I will not be able to track your progress or grade. Once you've completed the review, take a screenshot of your score with your name on it and submit to the assignment. Remember, we go to the black box, we click submit assignment, and then we browse our file and we pick the one we would like. You can do this on your computer or your phone. We found it works both ways. So if you click the quizzes link, it's going to take you right here. I'm going to use the link in the other window so that you can see what it looks like when it first comes up without logging in. So if you don't have an account, your quizzes is going to look like this. You're going to enter your name. You want your first and last name. So let's say my name was Katie, and let's say my last name was Smith. So, and then I'll click start. Start the game. So it's going to pull up questions for you. You're going to click your answer. That was a guess. I'm really sorry that was right. And it's going to show you your score. And then let's say we don't click a right answer, so let's read this one this time. The summary at the end of the experiment that explains results. Hint, we analyze results and draw. Do we draw procedures? Nope, wrong, it's conclusions. Okay, and then it'll also show you how you're doing with your classmates. So that's quizzes. At the very end, it's going to bring you up a score. You're going to screenshot that score and submit it as your assignment today. You can do this as many times as you want, so you can start over if you want more practice. Say you didn't do so well and you want some practice for your quiz tomorrow, you're more than welcome to do that. You only need to submit your score once though. This isn't going as a grade as far as you got this many right, you didn't get this many right. This is going to be a completion grade, but try your best because this is going to gauge how you'll do on your quiz tomorrow. Many of the questions on the review will be found on your quiz. So this, like I said, this video is also for tomorrow too. So Friday we're taking a quiz. You'll find it under, if we go to modules, you'll find the quiz or test right here. So you're going to go ahead and you'll click start quiz. There is it's 38 points, but 15 of those points are matching questions, so it's not as long as you would think. There are some math questions that have to do with converting that we learned the other day. There are questions about the scientific method, and there are questions about our prefixes and our suffixes. So for this quiz, you may use your notebook that you've been taking notes in very diligently. Some of you have been taking notes using an online PDF editor. You may have that up. Canvas tracks a lot of the websites you visit, so when you click on that PDF editor, as you're taking your quiz, I will see that. Also, in the same way, if you're clicking on a Google tab and Googling the question, I will see that as well, and I'll be able to have a log of it in your responses. So just know that Google is not okay to use. What is okay though are your notebooks, which you have worked very hard on to create. So if you've been doing your notes, this quiz test is going to be a breeze for you. If you have not been following along in your notes, this is going to be hard. Even if you were to try to Google the questions, this is a quiz specific to Ms. Backover's class, so the answers will be specific to the knowledge that we learned, not necessarily what is on the internet. So good luck with that, guys. The test is not timed, so you can take as long as you want. Don't feel rushed. It should only take you about 50 minutes max, though. It really won't take you that long. It's not going to allow you to do it more than once, so this is a one-shot thing, so make sure you're taking your time doing it and completing this assignment to the best of your abilities. If you have any questions, please email me. Email me if you have questions. Have a great day, guys.